Okay guys, I'm about to go to market, so let's flick this over. Are we ready to rock and roll? Yes, it's going to be an 8 pip target. We're going to go pretty much straight in. 8. There we go. All right, so we've got our order in. Now, I've already been in, told the guys what it is that I'm up to, which is here. Now, I'll pull up the bigger version of this in just a second to show you. And if you go into the bulls and bears, there is the trade being made up. So explaining what it is, etc. So if they want to go into market and do this, it's up to them. But this is me going into market now. Now, at the moment, it's a little bit hairy. And one of the beauties of the way I trade is I let markets come to me, which allows things to relax. So I'm watching this on a 5-minute chart. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow all the red candles down. Now, just take that out of the way. Okay. Now, let me just kind of show you something. So if we step this out to the hour, what we can see is the market has been pushing down. It came up aggressively, sold off aggressively, and then has found this level here. Just put that in the middle. Found this level here and is now retracing against an aggressive move. Now, because of the way that it is, it's not a particularly strong trade. Okay, let me show you. So what you've got is the deepest trend, the big trend is selling. Well, you can see that. The dominant direction is buy, but the low time frames are neutral. They're pretty stretched. Now, because they're stretched, it's risky. Okay, it's kind of telling you to wait. So I'll always put a pending order in, low TP of 8 based on the ATR. Now, if I look at the strengths, etc., well, the US is pretty weak. JP is pretty darn strong. Okay, so again, the balance of power is moving backwards and forwards, and that's telling me to be bloody careful. Okay, so from here, if I'm looking to buy this thing knowing that it's weak, it's not going to go far, but it's not to say that you can't get a decent move. And once I've worked out my direction of the moment, sort of what's going to happen in the next hour or so, that's what I'm on. And I'll just wait for it to come down and then pop up, get the 8 pips, and I'm happy. And am I worried about the money side of it? No, not at all. Now, if I step this out, you can see it's on a heavy move down, but it's also in the retracing section. Well, again, trace against that, pull up, it's going to be about here. So there's nothing wrong with a small trade as long as it's nice and safe. Well, that's what this is. It's nice and safe. Okay. And what we do is we just follow it down, get pop, and the job's done. Okay. So I'm going to do that on a 5-minute. So I'm going to follow the red candles down and then catch the pop up about 8 pips, and I'm happy. Okay. So let's play this out and see how it goes. Okay, guys, I need the camera to go into a meeting now at 10 o'clock. This nearly hit target. The principle is still in play, so I'm just going to let it run, and I'll catch you in an hour or so, and it'll either be complete or we'll have to manage the thing out. All right, catch you in a bit. Okay, guys, I'm back. It's good catching up with you, Ben. Absolutely super speaking to you. Let's have a look, see whether this has done what we thought. Well, I don't see any orders. And it's gone up into the level and stalled as predicted. Here. So, did it work? Yes, it did. Got out 40 quid. Scruff's a happy boy. Now, everything we do is in the planning. It's always in the planning. And even here, this is the small account. I was in this today. If you look at the statement on it earlier on, that I did at the weekend, you'll see. And then I've been into it here. And again, we've got our 40 quid there as well. So this is moving along as well. So I'm pretty much done for the day now. I'll be spending a bit of time with the guys when I get back this afternoon. I'm going off to a hotel this afternoon to check a venue for Scruff Live. Because we requested that, we'll do it again. I'm still in two minds as to whether or not I want to do it. But I thought I'd check it out and see what the costs are. But like everything else, it's planning. So when I'm talking about things, I plan everything. So Scruff Live is planned. When I go to market, it's planned. When I sort my time out, it's planned. There might have been a little word here that you might have picked up on. Planned. If you go into the markets with a plan and you understand what it is that it's willing to give you, you'll always survive. The job is not difficult. It's not difficult at all, as long as you have a plan. So there we go. But I did that just simply for the guys in the squad. It was requested US JPY yesterday. I did a breakdown last night, and I always like to back up what I say. And there you go. Proof's in the pudding. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.